Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And before you continue, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, today I'm going to take you through how to connect your DStv account to your smart TV you have at home. Using what you need is your phone, your smartphone, and your smart TV. So let's get started. What you have to do is to download the DStv Now app from Play Store. DStv Now app from Play Store. This is how it will look like. You open it. Next, you have to open up an account with DStv Now, just like the way I have mine now. As you can see, I have already my initials there, so you have to sign in. Let me use my JFX app, JFX account. Next, you have to click more. When you go to more, you have to click settings. When you go to your settings, you have to click login into TV. Then after reaching this step, we are going to go to our smart TV. That's where the next step is. Let's pause it a bit. After finishing from the app, then you come to your smart TV. From your smart TV, you have to download the DStv Now app from your Play Store on your smart TV. This is how it will look like, DStv. Then you open it. A moment, it is going to load. Sorry for the darkness. Let's wait. Yes, it is going to display our code, which code we shall use to put in the DStv Now app on our smartphone. This is the code we are going to use, 5P KY. Then let's switch back on our smartphone, back on our smart TV. This is how it will show. To just open up these accounts after putting in our code, as we have seen on our smartphone. Then you click my TV, then done. To be open, then you can watch anything, starting from football. As you can see, have a few matches to come later in the day. That is it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting things.